some thug shit, I rob you, drunk shit. This some mob, you thug ass thug shit. This some thug shit, I rob you, drunk shit. This some mob, you thug ass thug shit.
I didn't like you back in the day, so what make you think now I wanna be your friend? Because you saw me crack a smile. KY from Ohio, see his battle back on the battlefields, guns at the Cadillac, and that is real. Short and thick, you can call me Joe Pesci. Unload a banana clip, just don't drop your Pepsi. Throw on your Bruce Bandana, represent your clique tonight. Do it like Joe Santana when he rips himself the mic. I'm known to tell people how I really feel, like a magic April. Hey, I did it in April, yeah, I really hate y'all. Have your girl call me up, she won't get up on my dick. Listen to that shit I spit, you know you original is 100. Anyone in the world can check me out. Every word that came out my mouth is the life I be about. Never kill no one, but I know some killers, man. It was sad seeing my homeboy with blood on his hands.
This some thug shit, I rob you, drunk shit. This some mob, you thug ass thug shit. This some thug shit, I rob you, drunk shit. This some mob, you thug ass thug shit. This some thug shit, I rob you, drunk shit. This some mob, you thug ass thug shit.
So I press somebody you people with, do you turn around?
Ask yourself the question, what happens if you turn around?
There's a chance that you get caught and go straight to jail, or there's a chance that you get shot and go straight to hell. But at the time your adrenaline's pumping, your rage blew like a 12 gauge. You're laughing cause they jumping. Scared pussy, you punk, you wanna talk shit, but see me face to face and it ain't mine or mine. You got your homies with you, and you still scared stiff. Your homies looking like your little sisters, y'all the bitch. Motherfucker, here I am, here I am. Tears falling down your cheeks, you crying like, oh man. Rock you for your white like Jeezy the Snowman. That's a metaphor, get with the program. Jam my CD, y'all know about my life. Heard I smashed a few hoes, you knew, now you're shouting at your wife.
This some thug shit, I rob you, drunk shit. This some mob, you thug ass thug shit. This some thug shit, I rob you, drunk shit. This some mob, you thug ass thug shit. This some thug shit, I rob you, drunk shit. This some mob, you thug ass thug shit. This some thug shit, I rob you, drunk shit. This some mob, you thug ass thug shit. This some thug shit, I rob you, drunk shit. This some mob, you thug ass thug shit.
I'm facing my death, retaliation is coming, some motivation for you pop pop. Now your ass starts running, don't stop, drop and roll, you gotta get up. You shot at little Ricky, now I'm waiting on the pickup. The stick up kid is back at it again. I stick my dick up in your mama and your sister and your girlfriend. My flows is poison like Ivy, you better watch your girl. I think she like me, look at her lips saying you contagious. Oh boy, you outrageous, they saying I'm courageous. My bravery can save me, your man a lame, he bustin', ain't got no game. Ain't got a big pocket, must have a big thing. Dang-a-lang, the chain around my neck is real. I'm kinda fly, admit it, for a white guy, but still. Do you still wanna hit it? Hop up on my dick and get it, baby. Tell your man I split it. But spit in the face until I see him again. Too legit until I quit, and that's the reason people hate me. I guess they get the wrong impression when my song was stepping. Then they wanna hit confessions, listen to my studio session. Motherfucker, what you think I'm just a talker? Born in the hood, they call me a streetwalker. Broad shoulders with my chest out like a blue pit. Bro, you're not gonna do shit, keep your head up too quick. Got your ass knocked out like Mike Tyson when he dropped out. Everyone stepped to him.